to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. How are you guys doing? Happy spring. I'm loving this weather. How you guys doing? I hope you're loving your weather where you are. All right guys, today we're gonna be doing a DIY. I'm in the kitchen, but we're not cooking, but we're making a cream and an oil. What oil? Carrot. We're gonna be making carrot oil, and after the carrot oil, we're gonna use the oil to make carrot moisturizing cream for skin brightening, skin glowing, removing dark spots, rejuvenating your skin, rejuvenating the cells of the skin, and anti-aging. Right, anyway, so let me show you the ingredients we're going to be using. Of course, carrots and I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil, okay, but for this I want to use grapeseed oil. Okay, grapeseed oil is very good. It doesn't sleep whether cold or hot. Oh, whether cold or hot is like this. I think I opened it already. Oh, my bad. So but anyways, these are the things we're going to use for the carrot oil, and then after this I'll show you what we're going to be using for the carrot moisturizing cream. You might not see my face again to the end of the video. I just wanted to make this quick intro, so stay tuned and let's go into making this oil. So the ingredients we're going to be needing for this carrot oil is just two. One is the carrots. Two is any carrier oil that you use. You choose. I use grapeseed oil, but feel free to use coconut oil or olive oil. They are all good. Now the utensils you're going to need: your plates, your knife, your grater, a glass jar, your pot, a cup, and container to store the carrot oil in it. The process basically is, I should say, 20 minutes or 20 to 22 minutes, okay? So the first step, you wash your carrots, you remove the skin, you wash it again, you grate your carrots. Make sure all your utensils are sterilized. I always sterilize mine, okay? So you grate your carrots, you fill the grated carrots in the glass jar. Now, while preparing your carrots, put water in the pot to boil. Put oil in the grated carrots, which is the carrier oil you are using. And if you want to use essential oil, you can use essential oil also. But like I said, I used only grapeseed oil. Most importantly, make sure the oil is a bit above the carrot. Now you put the glass jar in the boiling water so the content in it can cook for like 15 to 18 minutes. Stir from time to time. Now after 15 or to 18 minutes, you remove the contents from the fire, from the stove, and let it cool off. When it's cooled off, you strain the content, thereby separating the oil from the chaff. Put the oil in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour for it to be solid so you can remove the water. Okay? Also, when you remove it from the refrigerator, take out the water. Let it melt and fill in a container to store for use. Keep at room temperature and you can use for, I should say, almost a year. But in this case, after taking it off from the pot and letting it cool all the way, because I want to use it to make the carrot moisturizing cream, I'm not going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to use it right away and make the cream that I want to make, okay? So let me tell you the benefits of carrot oil to the skin. Carrot oil is rich in vitamins and a very effective skin moisturizer. That's what it is. Even if you have like a little wound or scrape in your skin and you use it, it works wonders. The same way Blue Seal Vaseline will work on your body, that's the same way. The vitamin A in carrot oil is highly effective. You know, vitamin source for skin renewal. That's what it is. Carrot oil helps to soothe, any irritated skin, even for skin regeneration, like soothing wrinkles, like you see those wrinkles you have under your neck, by the eye side, the eye line, and some stretch marks. I use it a lot, and I don't even have stretch mark on my stomach right now, okay? So this carrot oil we're talking about, it forms like a protective coating on the skin. Therefore, it helps it to retain its moisture level. And it can help to remove, all those marks caused by sweat, those bad fumes and all those yucky stuff, okay? So it's very effective in curing skin eczema. I use it on my kids' hands, especially when they had eczema. And instead of using the prescribed medication that had a lot of steroid in it, I use carrot oil and it really helps. Let me tell you, during summertime, carrot oil helps to protect us, like, what they call it, UV rays. It helps to protect us. It serves like a UV rays, and it hydrates the skin. It's effective against early aging. Okay, it helps to soften your skin tissues. It's also good for your hair. Carrot oil can help your hair grow fast and thicker. Okay, if you are looking to keep your hair long and avoid split ends, you may find carrot oil helpful. It will help to prevent hair loss by making the roots stronger at the scalp. Okay, so this is what carrot oil can really do for you. So over here now, it has cooled down, and I'm just giving it a quick stir. So now I'm ready to sift it into this cup that I have here. So that's just basically what I'm doing here. And now when you sift it, the liquid coming out, of course, is your carrot oil. You can go ahead and use it for your cream. If not, if this is your last process, then you just go ahead and put it in the fridge. That's what you're going to do with that. Just remember that carrot oil is proven as a house of vitamin A. Okay, that's why even when you drink it, it's highly beneficial for your skin from inside to outside. When you regularly use carrot oil on your skin, on your hair, believe me, it will bring forth effective results. It's amazing, guys. When you look at all these skin brightening creams they sell in the store, you will see it has carotene in it. Okay, so why don't you just make yours at home and use it? Believe me, this, if you make a large quantity, this could last up to a year, between 8 months to 1 year. It could last up to a year. That's how good this is. And there are other methods too. You could do the frying method. You could even do the one that, the cold pressed method. It's all good, all right? So now let's go into making our carrot moisturizing cream. All right, carrot cream is a skincare product that relies on the natural beauty benefits of carrots, okay? Extracts from carrots are notable for their very high concentration of carotenoid, which are responsible for a broad span of benefit, okay? Other vitamins and antioxidants are also present in carrot, making the carrot cream a natural way to moisturize while fighting sun damage and signs of aging. Doesn't that sound nice? So for this, we're using aloe vera. If you can get 100%, that's fine. Aloe vera, like 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then we're going to be using, of course, our carrot oil, like 3 to 4 tablespoons also. I'm going to be using essential oil. Here I'm using rosemary oil. Feel free to use lavender and every other eucalyptus, whatever essential oil you like. Just 2 to 3 drops of it is fine. I'm also going to be using vitamin E. Of course, we know what vitamin E can do for our skin. Vitamin E is very healthy. That is why it is added to so many lotions, cream, and gels you can find there in the store. Okay, because vitamin E is a potent antioxidant. Even research has shown that its benefits, there's a lot of benefits attached to vitamin E because it moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It adds to your glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy. All right. And one thing again is that this oil is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles, besides maintaining skin health. That's how good vitamin E is. That is why I am adding it to that. And for the essential oil, like I said, use any one you like. I like rosemary because it's rich in nutrients. It includes iron, calcium, vitamin, and antioxidants. Rosemary is really good. It has this thing called rosmarinic acid. And that acid is effective for many skin types and is found in all the skincare, soaps, face masks, toners, everything that has to do with skin that you will see in the store. This is why I like to use this, because it also helps to prevent aging of skin when you use it, and it can help to treat acne. It prevents infection in your skin. It's a very, very good essential oil to use, but that's my preference. You feel free to use whatever it is that you like to use. So now I'm just mixing it together, combining everything. You see it's already creamy already, and the color has kind of changed, though it's kind of looking kind of slightly lighter cream. It doesn't matter what we're looking for, it's the nutrients we're getting from the cream. So when you're done mixing it with your spatula or hand blender or whatever you use, go ahead and pour it in a very clean, sterile container. This one here should last me for at least 60 days. The way it is here, it should last me for 60 days because I don't really use much. I focus more, I will say, on my face and on my stomach, and then my the back of my hands. That's where I always focus on. You see, look at how beautiful, inexpensive. Because if you go to the store, I saw one the other day in Costco for like $29.99. That's like $30. And this right here didn't even cost much. How much is carrot? Like $1 and change. And aloe vera, I mean, let's say probably $5 or $6 is doing me well. Okay, look at that. Look at my skin. I just rubbed it. Look at the left hand, I rubbed it, the right hand, no. This is good, guys. It's very simple. Go ahead and make this. Sometimes try to do your own stuff at home. Control the chemicals in the product, skincare product that you use. It's very important. I hope you give this a try. I feel happy making this video because I know it's going to go a long way in helping somebody. Look at those beautiful colors. Thank you so much for joining me. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and stay blessed wherever you are. Bye-bye.